Hi guys, Roy here. Today we're repairing a sauna. This sauna has been damaged from a flooded basement. This basement had about 20 inches of water in it from the recent flooding of the Missouri River. Groundwater that came into this basement. So this is a little different situation here. We're repairing this sauna from the top down. We would normally work from the bottom up, but in this case we did salvage some of the upper half of this sauna room. So we're going to get started here putting this one back together. Now we've already replaced the bottom water resistant drywall and covered it with this foil paper, and we're going to start adding on to the bottom of the wall panels. We've installed a new door as well. The wall sheeting's tongue and groove, so we're nailing it on the tongue side. Same thing? Same thing, yep. Worked good. And that completes the walls. Next, onto the floor. The floor panels just sit right on the floor. We cut them to length. And drop them in. Now that we have the floor down, we build these supports to hold the benches up. Just made out of 2x2. We'll screw them in place. I like to pre-drill that so I don't split it. The cedar's pretty soft. Now we set the bench on top of the supports. This one also doubles as a step to get to the next level up. And I'll drill up to the bottom of my support. You should hear that. And this is the raised platform in place now. So you can step up on this lower one to get to the raised one, or you can just sit on the bottom one. Well, we hooked up the heating unit. All that's left is to put some rocks in and add a little water, and we're ready to take a sauna. This is Roy. Thanks for watching.